In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up reminders in Microsoft To Do. If you want Microsoft To Do to notify you about an important task at the right moment, setting a reminder is a simple and useful feature to know. This is especially helpful when you already have tasks listed but need a specific prompt later in the day or on a future date so nothing gets missed. To begin, open Microsoft To Do and go to the My Day section. This is where you can quickly view and manage the tasks you want to focus on right now. If your task is already listed here, you're ready to move forward. Next, select an existing task and open the Task Details panel. When you click on a task, a side panel will appear with more options and settings related to that item. This Details area is where you can make changes such as adding notes, deadlines, and of course, reminders. Make sure you've selected the correct task before continuing so the reminder gets attached to the right item. Once the Task Details panel is open, click on Remind Me. This opens the reminder settings for that specific task. The reminder option allows you to choose exactly when Microsoft To Do should notify you, which can be useful for appointments, follow-ups, deadlines, or any task that needs attention at a specific time. After that, pick a date and time for your reminder. Start by choosing the date you want the reminder to appear. Think about when you actually need the alert, not just when the task is due. For example, if something is due later in the day, you may want the reminder earlier so you have enough time to act on it. Then select the time picker to choose the exact time. This gives you more control over when the notification will be sent. Choose a time that fits your schedule and gives you a realistic chance to respond. A well-timed reminder can make your task list much more effective and easier to manage. Finally, click on Save. This confirms the reminder and applies it to the task. Once saved, Microsoft To Do will keep that reminder linked to the task and notify you at the date and time you selected. And that's it. You've successfully set up a reminder in Microsoft To Do. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and on top of your day.